Today I'm gonna show you what $10 can get you in DR. We're gonna have 3 meals: breakfast, lunch, and dinner. We're starting with breakfast. Saluda.
Saludos.
¿Le queda algo todavía?
Sí, yo le puedo freír. Hay de pollo con queso y pollo con vegetales, carne molida con queso, jamón y queso.
¿Me puede dar una de pollo con vegetales?
Pollo con vegetales, ya yo te lo voy a freír.
So this place is really small, but they're making great empanadas. They're cheap and tasty. A lot of people here like to have empanadas in the morning. So I have to wait a couple of minutes because they're freshly baking it. I used to eat breakfast at home, but then one day when I tried the empanada here, I was like, why am I eating breakfast at home if this tastes so much better? So I just got my freshly baked empanada. And a lemon juice. And this cost me $2. Let me try it. The taste is great as usual. The filling is chicken with some vegetables. See you later at lunch. So now it's lunchtime and I'm gonna have some food at this local restaurant. Una bandera de res y un jugo de chinola. So this restaurant is pretty popular, especially during weekdays, because a court is nearby and also a lot of offices. So I just got my passion fruit juice. Passion fruit juice is the most popular juice here. Everybody loves passion fruit juice. Foreigners and locals alike. So I just got my food. Can you believe that all this only costs $4? So we have a little salad, rice, beef, and some beans. So that's like a typical meal here in DR, a typical lunch, rather. The only thing that differs is the meat. Sometimes it's pork, chicken, or beef. Today I'm having beef. Let me try it. As you can see, the taste was not bad. So I just got my lunch. See you later at dinner time. So to finish up today's challenge, I'm gonna have a meal in KFC. This looks interesting, but when it comes to taste, I'll let you know in a bit. So the $4 meal at KFC was pretty good. It was decent. The burger could be better, the grape flavored drink was great, and the mashed potato was pretty good. So today's $10 challenge ends here, and see you in one of the future videos.